Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Renderforest, full guide step. To log into Renderforest, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.renderforest.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you have two options to log in, using your email and password, or through your Google account. If you choose to log in with email, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Ensure that both your email and password are entered correctly to avoid errors. Once you have filled in your details, click the login button below the fields. If you selected the Google login option, click on the Login with Google button. This will prompt a window for you to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use, or enter your credentials if prompted. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your Renderforest dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check if you have entered the correct email and password. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. After resetting your password, you can log in again using your new credentials. Now you are ready to explore and use Renderforest's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.